Hey guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss about distributive property. So first, let me explain the distributive law of multiplication over addition. So this property can be symbolically written as A into B plus C, which will be equal to A into B plus A into C. So here distributive law states that multiplying a number by the sum of numbers is the same as multiplying each number in the sum individually and then adding them up. So now let me explain this concept with an example over here. So here the example is 5 into 4 plus 3. So this can be written as 5 into sum of 4 plus 3, that is 7. So we get here 5 into 7 and we get the result as 35. And then now let us multiply the number in the sum individually. So here we get 5 into 4 plus 5 into 3. So that implies 5 into 4 is 20 plus 5 into 3, which is 15. So we get here 20 plus 15, that is equal to 35. So hence both the values are equal. So we can say that distributive law of multiplication over addition is a closed operation. And here the best way to remember this property is the number A is distributed individually to the each number in the parenthesis and then adding their products. So here in this law, A is being distributed from the left hand side. So this property is called as left distributive property. And now coming to the right distributive property, where C is distributed from the right hand side to the each number in the parenthesis. And here being distributed, we get the result as AC plus BC. Whereas in the left distributive property, we get AB plus AC as the result. So now let us move forward and discuss distributive law of multiplication over subtraction. So here A is multiplied to the difference of numbers B minus C, which will be equal to multiplying individually, that is A into B minus A into C. So now let me explain this concept with an example over here. So here the example is 5 into 4 minus 3, which will be equal to 5 into 1, and we get the product as 5. And then multiplying individually, we get 5 into 4 minus 5 into 3. So here 5 into 4 is 20 minus 5 into 3, that is 15. So we get here 20 minus 15 and the result will be equal to 5. So here we can say that distributive law of multiplication over subtraction is a closed operation. Similarly, we have negation distributive property, which is nothing but minus of A plus B, which will be equal to minus A and minus B. So now let me explain this concept with example over here. So here if we have minus of 8 plus 8 and we get the result as minus 16. And now adding individually, we get minus 8 minus 8, which will be equal to minus 16. Since both the values are same, we can say that negation distributive property is a closed operation. So here we can conclude by saying distributive property states that multiplying a number by a sum of or difference of numbers will be same as multiplying each number in the sum or difference individually and then adding or subtracting them. And here distributive property will be applicable to more than two values. So we get here A plus B plus C plus D into Z, which will be equal to A into Z plus B into Z and so on. So this property is called as general distributive property. So this was a basic introduction on distributive property of numbers. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.